name is Jonathan, and now I'll be doing a demo how to use the laser function of thermal imager. So for the laser function of the thermal imager, this is perfectly good if we are measuring an object from a distance, like the air condition. So just focus on the air condition and then push the button for laser. See that where you put the laser pointer, it will measure, it will give you a temperature. Now it's giving us 14 degrees Celsius. And it changes when you point it at different part of the object. And again, this is how we use the laser function of the thermal imager. And see you on our next video. These products are available at www.aceconline.com. Weather station, thermal imager, pressure hand pump, multifunction calibrator, wind and weather meter, and thermometers.